This is now my backyard. I've now got a swimming pool. Isn't that wonderful? Not what I planned, but I suppose a little bit of torrential rain will do that. I think my veggie garden slightly suffering from all this rain. The zucchini's finally finished, but the tomatoes have finally started to thrive again after such dry weather we've recently had. Where that bucket is where the drain, the outside drain is, and that's just, look, it's just a river down there. The dogs are a little bit wet, but I don't think they're worried too much. If anything, they're just a bit bored. That's where the drain is. You probably see from the trolley how deep it is already, and it's only from this morning. Yeah, I really don't know what to say. We haven't had this much rain in a long time, so that drain gets really quite clogged up very, very quickly. Look, it's sprinkling rain. Oh, see, that's their bowls. Their bowls have washed down out of their bowls usually sit sort of about here where the dog beds are. I'll have a bit of a closer look, eh? There's the river. Oh look, there you go. It's just all water. It's water all through there. But I don't really want to put my wheels in the water, but there it goes. It's running all the way down through there. So there you go. Not a very good drain, is it? It's now leaking.